Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add voiceover in CapCut, create a voiceover for videos, easy CapCut tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just go ahead and head onto your CapCut, and then right after, once you're already here onto this page, just go ahead and import the clip wherein you want to add a voiceover. So I have added one onto my end already. If you haven't onto your end, simply click onto to import to browse onto the different files onto your device, or drag and drop the video that you want to use. Right after, to add that onto the timeline, you can simply drag that one over here or click onto the plus icon to add the track. Now to add in a voice over here onto the upper part of the timeline, you should be able to see this microphone icon that says voiceover. So this is where you could go ahead and add in a voiceover onto your CapCut video. Click onto that. Right after, it should give you an option to record here. So you could choose the input device for that, adjust the volume, and there are a lot of settings as well that you could go ahead and use in here, such as the echo reduction, mute the project, or enhance voice. To go ahead and start adding the voiceover, click onto this red icon in here to start recording. So it should look something like this. So you could start recording once this one is already running, and you should be able to see a 3 seconds time before starting it. To stop this, just click onto this one again, and you should be able to see a voiceover added already here onto your video. And that is how easy you could add a voiceover in CapCut to create a voiceover for your videos. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.